Hey guys, this is Technophile, and today I have done something crazy with my Oneplus 5, the flagship killer. Yes, I have installed 500 plus apps, and now I'm gonna test the power of the beast. Is it capable to handle this much load? So let's see. I have installed 511 apps. This is insane. And the system contains already 177 apps. Whoa. I have the 8 GB RAM variant with the latest audio stable update. This looks amazing. So first, let's see how much free RAM is available. As all apps are forced stop right now. So here we have almost 4.9 GB of RAM free. Now I'm gonna open 100 apps. Let's see the RAM management. Oxygen OS optimized by Oneplus is damn fast, man. I can't see a single lag even after installing this much of apps. Okay, back to the job, let's do it. Gonna increase the video speed here because of video length. After opening the 100 apps, I'll show you the RAM management. Here we go, 98. 9900. Finally, the RAM management. OMG, still we have 1.8 GB of RAM and the system took the 5.6 GB. This is insane for a mobile device. Wow, we get more free RAM. Now let's see how many apps are running in the background. Wow, this is running. Again a little bit of freeze, but this is negligible. It's running, man. I'm glad I'm having the best RAM management. OMG, this is killing me. But the huge size games like Asphalt 8 is a stopped. But I mean, who does this? No one play a game after opening almost 100 apps. Now I'm gonna test different launchers, how they handle this much of apps. First we have TSF launcher. It handles very well. Actually Qualcomm 835 and the optimization of Gen OS is just fab. Second we have Tech Launcher. A little bit of frame drops. I think this app got some optimization problem. Third, Oneplus launcher. Oh man, I feel the optimization. How good is this? Fourth, the Nova launcher, one of the most popular out there in market. It handled it really well, as expected. Now last we have Lens launcher. I just love the animation of this launcher. Actually it handles it really well. So guys, that's all. Please hit like, subscribe and share. Also share your thoughts about this video in comments.